Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can increase or decrease the text size for the Messages app to make it even more larger or smaller on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, go down and tap on Display and Brightness. Then go down and tap on text size. Now you can see here, if I want to make it really small, I can drag it all the way to the left, and now my text messages font size are really small to read. But if you want to make it really big, first you go back into that settings, and then you drag the text size change bar all the way to the right to make it big. Now however, you may see that the text is now larger, but if you want to go even more larger, then this is what you have to do. You go into settings. So in settings, we go back to the settings page and we go down and tap on accessibility. Then we tap on display and text size, then tap on larger text, and then turn on larger accessibility size. At the bottom here, tap on the adjustments bar at the bottom here, and then drag on the handle all the way to the right to make the text even more larger. Now if you go all the way to the right hand side, you can see the text is extremely large, and that will becomes too hard to read on your screen, so you want to adjust just so that it is enough for you to read. And now if I go back to my text messages, you can see the text message is quite large and very readable. And that's it. So that's how you can make your text size on your iPhone even more larger for your text messaging app and other apps as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.